How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. First go here and then go to Twitter, and now you need to find this one, setting and privacy, and now click here, privacy and safety, click on it, and then click this one, content you see, click on it, and then turn this one off, and you can turn it on again if you want. Just click on it, and that's how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.